Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable contactless payments on Revolut. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now in case you haven't downloaded Revolut yet or you would like to invite someone, then you're very lucky because we have a very special link offer just for you. To download Revolut, all you have to do is scroll down until you see the first link in the description or until you see the first link in the comment section below. Once you go there and you click on it, you'll be invited to this page where you can sign up with your phone number from any country that you would like, and you will receive a referral bonus and the best method to transfer money on your accounts. Now that you're on the app, all you have to do is go to the top right section in the card logo, and then from here you're going to select one of your virtual cards. Make sure that you select whatever you have, or you can create a new one by clicking on add new and then create a new virtual card. Once you do that, you will get the option to add it on your Google Pay or your Apple Pay. Once you do that, you're going to simply click on it, and then from here you're going to go to the settings and enable NFC. Whether on Android or iPhone, this will enable your contactless payments. And so once you go and put your phone near any scanner, that will enable it automatically and you will pay. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.